Are you curious about your family roots? Let's dive into the world of ancestry research with a comparison of Ancestry and MyHeritage. Both tools help you discover your family history and connect with relatives. They offer rich databases and user friendly interfaces, making it easier to explore your lineage. Ancestry is one of the most popular genealogy platforms. It has a vast collection of records, including census data, military records, and immigration documents. Users can create family trees and even take DNA tests to find relatives. Ancestry also provides hints to help you uncover more about your ancestors. On the other hand, MyHeritage also focuses on family history. It allows users to build family trees and offers a large database of historical records. MyHeritage is known for its advanced photo tools. You can enhance old photos and even colorize them. They also provide DNA testing, making it easy to find relatives around the world. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Ancestry has a larger collection of records, which can be a big plus for serious researchers. MyHeritage, however, shines with its photo features and user friendly interface. When it comes to pricing, both of our subscription plans, Ancestry tends to be a bit more expensive, but it offers more extensive resources. MyHeritage is usually more affordable, especially for casual users. So, who should choose what? If you want a deeper dive into records and serious research, Ancestry might be the better choice. But if you're looking for a fun way to explore your family history and enjoy photo features, MyHeritage could be for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.